Okay.
Okay. So now can you see my screen? Mina?
Yes.
Okay, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, so here when we click on the green flag, we have a little bit square sprite, okay? And when we click on this, it will stamp the color. Okay.
Where will we click?
It is following our mouse pointer, okay? And when we left click on our mouse, okay, so it will stamp. And from here, we can change the color of it. You can see there is a preview. Here is a white screen.
Yes.
And when we change the color, it is changing the color.
Yes.
Okay. And when we increase the brightness, it will increase or
Go
decrease the brightness or the shade of the color. Okay.
Okay.
And from the size, we can increase or decrease its size. Okay, Mina?
Okay.
And if we want to erase all thing, here can you see the cross sprite and there is written erase all.
Yes.
When you click on this sprite, all the things will be erased. Okay.
Okay.
So in today's class, we are going to do this work.
It's pretty big, I guess.
No, it's not big. It's very, really easy.
Seriously.
And it all is working on the extension. And I will be telling you that what are the extensions in today's class. Okay.
Okay. Can I ask you a question?
Yes, you can ask me.
What does it mean by extensions?
Okay. So, Mina, extensions means that to extend the functionalities of this Scratch application or program. Okay.
Okay.
For example, here we have motion blocks, okay, looks block, sound block, control, sensing operators, and they all are here. All blocks perform each work, okay?
Okay.
All blocks perform some work, but if we want to perform such work that in these blocks are not available of that work, so what we can do that we can add extensions, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so how we can add the extensions? Can you see that here on the left bottom there is a button?
Left bottom?
Yes. On the
Mm,
top left, down left bottom.
down left bottom. This is the left.
And
This.
when I put my mouse cursor there, what is it saying? It is saying add extension. Okay, Mina?
Okay.
Can you see that there is a button? In my screen, can you see that on my screen?
I cannot see your screen.
You can't see on my screen.
Nope.
Okay. I'm really sorry. I just forgot to share my screen.
It's okay.
Okay, now you can see my screen.
Yes.
Okay. So now on the top left bottom corner, can you see a button right here?
Yes, add extension.
Yes, it is saying add extension. And when we click on this, we will have other few extensions. Okay.
Okay.
There is a music extension, a pen extension, video sensing, text to speech, translate, make these all extensions we have. And today we are going to work on the pen extension. Okay.
Okay.
So if we want to choose an extension, what we can simply do is just we have to go on that extension and we just have to click on that extension. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, and you can see that when I click on this extension, there is another category of pen. And here we can see that there is erase all, stamp pen down,
Stamp pad?
No,
Yes.
no. You can see that there are different blocks that set pen color to, change pen color to by 10, set pen color to 50, change pen size by 1, set pen size to 1.
Yes.
Can you see that?
Yes.
Okay. So these all blocks are inside the pen extension and we can use it whenever we want. Okay.
Okay.
So now we are going to make our today's work. So first of all, what you have to do that you have to choose choose a backdrop and scroll it down, and you can see that here is XY grid 20px. Can you see
Where,
that?
where's, oh yes.
XY grid 20px, it is a basic, it is a graph. Okay, so what we have to do that you have
Get it?
to get this. Okay, first of all. Okay,
Okay.
and then what you have to do that you have to edit this backdrop. Okay, can you
Okay.
see that the tools are just a little bit different? Can you see that?
Yes.
So what you
Yeah.
can do that if you want your tools just like normal one, what you can do that can you see that here is a button convert to
Yes.
vector? You
Yes.
just have to simply click on that button and the tool will be just like normal. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So first of all, what you have to do, Mina, that we have to draw. We can choose a color which we want. Okay.
Okay.
And then we have to draw a rectangle from here
Oh,
till here. Okay, Mina?
okay.
Okay, so I'm just sending us to them. Just wait a minute, Mina.
Okay.
Okay, Amna. So I'm sending it to the breakout room. Just wait a minute.
But I told you so.
Yes, Mina.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we can continue. Okay, so what we have done till here that we have drawn a by using a rectangle tool, we have to draw something like that. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now what we have to do that we have to draw by using the same rectangle tool, we will choose the color to white. Okay, and then we have to draw a type of screen for our preview. Okay,
Okay.
we can draw it like that. Okay, I think that's good. Yes, that's good. Okay, Mina.
Okay.
After that, by using the text tool, what we have to do that we have to use the text tool. Okay, and first of all, we have to write. Okay, we can change the color of the text to black, and then we have to write it here. Preview. Okay, and here we have to write
It is all.
is all. Okay. Okay, and then we can decrease its size if we want, and we can put it right here. Okay, now it's good. Okay. Okay, Mina. So do you have any confusion till here?
Nope. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I can hear you.
I said nope.
I can hear you.
Okay, and I don't have any confusion.
Okay, Mina. So now what we have to do, we have to draw our own sprite. Okay, so first of all, we will go on the paint and we have to just draw a simple sprite. And how we can do that? That by using a square tool, and we will fill it with any color we like. Okay, I think the red is good. And by pressing the shift key,
Okay.
we have to draw a small square. Okay, and then we have to center it. Okay, Mina. And then we will go right here. And first, okay, Mina. So here, what we have to do, that we have to duplicate a sprite. Okay, why we need to duplicate a sprite? Because the screen, the previous screen which I told you, it was not a screen, it was basically two sprites with the same code, but first is the screen sprite was not moving because we haven't coded to move. Okay,
Okay.
so what you have to do, that you have to duplicate it. Okay, Mina.
Okay.
And then you can choose any one sprite and put it and or at the screen. Okay,
Okay.
and then what you have to do, that we have to go on across. We can search across if we have sprite to cross, or we can draw it. Okay, yes, we have here, we have a button 5 here. Okay,
Okay.
okay, so what we can do, that we can add this button 5. Okay, okay, Mina.
Okay.
And then what we have to do, that we can go on its costumes and we can delete this black costume. Okay, so that we can have this red costume here. Okay, and then we can decrease its size because it's too big for us. Okay, we can do it to 50. I think it's good. Okay,
Okay.
so do you have any confusion till here?
No.
Okay, well done. So now we should move on. And now what we have to do, that first of all, okay, did you see in the project I showed you earlier, did you saw that there were three options right here from where we can choose the color, adjust the color, and adjust the size and adjust the brightness.
Yes, we will go
Okay,
on my blocks.
no, those were variables.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
So first of all, what you have to do, that you have to go on the variables. Okay, and then you have to draw, oh, then you have to create three variables. Okay,
Okay.
the first one of the color. Okay, and then brightness. Okay, and then
And then size.
size. Well done. And then size. Okay, so now can you see, Mina, that our variables are on the top?
Yes.
Okay, so if we want to adjust it by our mouse cursor, so what you have to do, that you have to right click on the variable, and can you see that there is slider here, slider button?
Yes.
You have to just click on the slider. Okay, and
Okay.
now you can see that this it is just like a slider. Okay,
Yeah.
so now what you have to do, that you have to do the same for all. Okay,
Okay.
and now you can adjust it. Okay, Mina,
Okay.
and you have to put it on the top. Yes, you have to put it on the top. Okay, so now we have what we have to do, that we have to code it. Okay. So we
Okay.
have to code it. So first of all, we have to code it for that when the green flag is clicked, this uh sprite should go to our mouse pointer. So what we have to code?
We will get when green flag click,
Okay, when green flag clicked,
follow mouse pointer.
okay, we will go on the motion and we will go to use the go to mouse
Right.
pointer. Okay.
Okay.
So now when we click on the green flag, it is not moving with us. Why it is not moving with us?
Because it's not following.
Why it isn't following?
I do not know.
Because we haven't used forever block.
Oh,
If we use the forever block and when we click on the green flag, it will follow our mouse pointer. Okay.
okay.
Okay, now what we have to do that. Okay. Now we have now the sprite is following our mouse pointer. Now what we have to do?
Mm, let me think. We did this. We did. Now we have to code the other sprites as
Yes,
well.
first of all, okay, we can do that. But first of all, we have to do that when we set the color from here or the brightness or the size from here, it's our sprite brightness, color and size should change by it. Okay.
Okay.
So what we will do that we will go on the looks. First of all, okay, we have to go on the looks.
Okay.
Okay, we'll go on the looks and from here you can say as you can look that we have here set block. Can you see that? We have your set block,
Yes.
set color effect block.
Yes.
Okay, so first of all, for the color, we will use this that set color effect to, and by which we have to change it. We will go on the variables and we will pick this color and we will put it right inside it. Okay.
Okay.
Set color effect to color. And then again, we will go on the looks and we will pick this set effect block and we will now click on the color and we can see that there is a brightness. Okay. Set brightness to
Size.
set
Brightness.
brightness to brightness. Okay. And then we can set that here we have a set size block. Can you see that there we have a set size block?
Yes.
We will go on the set size block and we will pick this block that set size to. And again, we will go on the variables and we will pick the size block and put it right here. Okay, Mina?
Okay.
Now, if we click on the green flag, okay. So you can see that we have, if we increase the size from here, it will increase the size.
Yes.
Okay. It will increase the size and then when we change the color, it will change the color also. Okay, you can see that the color is changing.
Yes. The color works like when we go in the costumes, we want to change the color.
Yes, it just work like that. Okay. Now, Mina, we have a problem that our first one sprite is color is changing, but we want that our this sprite should also change. So what we will do, we have to
We
just
will.
copy paste the code. Okay.
I was about to say that we have to use the same code.
Okay, we will use the same code, but we will remove this go to mouse pointer block. Okay, because we don't want our this sprite to move because it is supposed to be right there on the screen. Okay,
Okay.
Mira. So now our one sprite will be moving and the other sprite will be on the screen and will be not moving. Okay. So now when we change the color, we can see on the screen that which color we have and what is the size of our sprite. Okay. Now we
Yeah.
can see that. Okay. Now, Mina, we have to go on this first sprite one. Okay. And now what we have to do that we want that when we click on this, it should stamp. Okay. So what we have to do that from the sensing, we have to go on the we have to go on the controls. Okay.
Okay.
And we have to pick the if block. Okay, Mina.
Okay.
And then we have to go on the sensing. Okay. On the sensing, you can see that there is mouse down.
Yes.
The mouse down, what is mouse down? The mouse down is basically telling us that whenever it will be sensing that whenever we will click on our mouse, it will sense that. Okay, if mouse down means कि अगर हम लोग अपने माउस पे क्लिक करें तो वो सेंस कर लेगा. Okay.
Okay.
So what we want, if mouse down, then we will go on the pen extension and you can see that here is a stamp block.
Yes.
Okay, so we will use the stamp block and put it inside it. Okay. Okay. Now we will check that when we click on the green flag, our sprite is moving with us, and when we click on this, it will stamp. Okay.
Okay.
It is stamping.
Yes.
Okay. You can draw anything with this.
Can I tell you something?
Yes.
This is actually like you can draw something with colorful blocks, and this is actually my favorite game that I used to play.
Yes, it can be like that. Okay, Mina. Now what we have to do, we have a problem here. We want that when we click on this arrow, these all things should be erased. So what we will do that we will go on this button 5 and which event we used for.
I want to tell you.
Yes, please tell me that event.
When the sprite clicked,
Well
erase
done.
all. When the sprite clicked, erase all.
Well done. When this sprite clicked, erase all. And now when we clicking on this sprite, all the things will be erased. Okay, Mina?
Okay.
And when we change the color, it will change the color also. We can draw anything. We can write anything. We can write Mina.
Okay.
We can write Mina, I think.
It's a pixel writing.
Yes, it's a pixel writing. That's M and that's I.
Okay.
And then we can write N. Okay, MIN. And we can write a small a because we don't have enough space.
You can just write one A. It's okay.
Yes, it's Mina. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Mina. So do you have any confusion or question till here?
Never.